Go to File, New.
I'm going to choose the flyer. Where's the flyer? Write flyer if you want. Okay. Flyer. And do the search. You get so many flyers. Okay. You can choose anyone. This one, for example. Okay. And then go there. Say the template should be what? What is the template? Small. So the template here should be a row and the color schema orange. Okay. So I'm gonna go to change the template. Here, change the template to what? A row. This is the arrow one. And the color is what? Orange. Where is the orange? O. So you go for the O. This is the orange one. You're gonna choose it. And this is the schema as a row. Okay. And font is Arial rounded. So where's the font? Here. Go for the Arial rounded. Where is the Arial rounded?
Yeah.
Arial rounded. Okay. We're gonna choose this schema. And tear off contact information. This is the tear off. I'm gonna choose contact information. Okay. And you say okay now. Apply. It's almost the same, is that? We need just to change the background to color. So what I'm gonna do is go to the background and choose like this. Insert clip art. Okay, business, and insert right one, insert the advertisement, blah blah. So you insert the clip art business. So you go and search for business. Okay, you need to insert like a picture, not necessarily the same picture, but let's say just any picture close. So I'm gonna say insert picture, and I'm gonna say business. It is said here. Okay, business, clip art, business. Okay, and I'm gonna search. Okay, you can find a lot of business picture or clip art. Just try to find someone very close to that picture. People are sitting with each other. Okay, you can clip art, choose a clip art from here. I don't want a photograph, I want a clip art. And let's see if I have if I can find the exact photo. Okay, I can put this one here. It's almost shows exactly how things work. Or any other pictures. Okay, you can use this one. Okay, insert that one. So I'm gonna make it smaller a little bit. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna insert also advertisement with a 20% off. So I'm gonna go and insert picture online ads 20% off. And I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, let's just do it. And then I can do something about it to make it like a circle. So I'm gonna put it next to this one here, and I'm gonna change the style to be like a circle, like this. Okay, but first I need to make it smaller, and then after that I can put it into there. Okay, something like that. You can choose different one if you want. Okay, that's the one. You can write it by yourself actually if you want. You can do it yourself. How do we do it? I'm gonna go and insert shape circle like this. I'm gonna add text to it. So add text. I'm gonna write here 20% off in fees. Fill this one with a black, and I can put the font as white. And the font is white. I can put it as this and increase the font. That. Okay. You can make it more like this. Okay, guys. Now you can change the here. Let's say insert advertisement 20%. Insert text box the right design. So I'm gonna insert here. What do you call it? Log tech training. So log. Same thing here. Tech training. Training. Yeah. Training and comma. Then I can put row. Put row like that. Okay. And then you can put here, change this one to Cisco. Enter there. Verification. And then you can put remove this one here instead of this text box. You can put same written here. C Y and A, C Y and P, for example. C Y and A, then C Y and P. Exactly the same thing written there. Okay, guys. Then you can insert a text box here and write these words. Okay, excellent, quality, and 100% placement, 100% placement, and the last one, super infrastructure. So super infrastructure. Okay, and here you can change the name, call it, and here you can change the, I'm gonna make it bigger for you so you can see it. So I can put here the same number or just any number, so you can change this from telephone to what? Mobile, mobile, same thing written there, okay, anything like that. And then there's an email, so I'm going to add the email to that. I'm going to say email. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And I'm going to add the email. And you can put the same email, any other email like this. So, for example, okay. Here, best in service, best in service, like this. And here the contact information, okay. This contact information, then put your name, okay, like Wanda. This is the business card information, okay, the business card information, okay. You can add it from business card. You can go to the insert and insert business information. That will add, it's actually add this one, yeah. So you can modify this to your name or leave it to any phone number. Okay, guys, now this is how it looks like. Now here, for example, you can change the, what do you call it, the background color to make it a little bit similar to the one, the picture. So right click, and we go format. The color is, choose, I think this one here, not exactly. You can choose. Okay, almost the same. Does it looks the same or different now?
It's the same.
Okay, how do you save it? File, save as, browse, name here, flyer, and then the first one is publisher. Keep it like this. So save. Then I have to save it as the second one as a PDF and then GPG. So I'm going to say same thing, file, save as, browse. I'm going to save it as PDF, choose PDF, save. And then after that, this is the PDF version, you can see it. Then after that, I'm going to save it as file, GPG. File, save as, browse. I'm going to save it as GPEG. And then save. You go to document, okay? You can see the flyer, how many files? 3 files. So change the color to be black. Change the color for all of them to be black. Okay. And you can say for all of them, change it as a black, or you can keep it like this. Looks the same, is that? You can insert picture, you can insert text box, you can insert word art, okay? All these things. Okay, anyone else? This is the advertisement is here if you want to insert that one that we should use. Okay, so you can, from the advertisement, you can insert this one here. instead of that we design it by ourselves. It's already designed, so you can add your own things. 20% off. Like that. Okay.